Wolf, do you want to count the stars? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not this time. Boring. Look for another thing. That's not right. Boring. Look for another thing. Nope. Boring. Look for another thing. Nope. Boring. Look for another thing. That's the right thing. That's the right thing. Masha likes to paint very much before going to sleep. Masha likes Look how beautiful it is. What can I paint more? Masha likes to paint very much. Let's jump. Masha is afraid of darkness. What has happened this time? Bees are buzzing. They are gathering honey. What is that? This is just a drought. What has happened this time? Water is dropping. What is that? What has happened this time? What is in there? Oh, what an interesting item! Masha likes watching cartoons before going to sleep. Nope. That's not right. Not this time. That's the right thing. You can't sleep with the light on. That's the right thing. What a mess! We need to clean it up. What a mess! We need to clean it up. Put the apple core in the bin, please. Now we can sleep. It is better to close the fridge. Where can our rabbit sleep? Look here. This is what we need. You can't sleep with the light on. That's the right thing.